This is Saturday, March 31st, 2012 at I guess about 7 p.m. and I'm looking up and to the west. What we're looking at is the edge of a thunderstorm that's to the north and slightly east of us. So if we pan over this way to the north and east, we can see it's a little darker over there. You can even hear some faint rumblings. But the main thing we're looking at is the overhang, which is directly overhead there, spreading off to the west and to the south. It's a beautiful shape of that, and that's tens of thousands of feet high. That's probably about 25 to 30,000 feet high, that overhang there. There might even be some hail up in that. But there's definitely a very, very large thunderstorm associated with this. It's just off to the north and to the east. So again, we're looking at the overhang from a thunderstorm, and we're in Bartlett, Tennessee.